Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to change Java version if multiple Javas installed on AWS, Amazon, Linux, EC2Instance. So let's get started. Open your AWS account, type EC2Instance, and create one instance. So I'm launching instance. I'm mentioning demo one. Here these are the Linux distributions like copies of Linux operating system. So I am using default Amazon Linux. You can also choose the same. If you are choosing another one, may not work. Now I am using few commands, right? Those may not work. Remember, must choose. Else you can search if you are choosing different distribution like copy of Linux operating system. Then you can search for the Google for those commands. For Amazon Linux, these commands will work. If you are changing any other distribution, may not work. Then you can search in Google. Instance type key pair, create new key pair. I'm mentioning demo one. .pem file I'm downloading. I'm accessing by using mobile extra. Mobile extra, we need to pass this .pem file. This is downloaded PEM file. Then security settings. So security group, I'm not creating, just defaults only. I'm not changing anything. Storage, I'm not changing. Number of instances, I am not changing. Just launch instance. Meanwhile, open the mobile extra. This is mobile extra section. SSH. Here we need to pass remote host and specify username. Verify it is launched or not. Once this is successfully launched, it will changing pending status to running. Click here, refresh. Wait until it will running. Here now running, connect. Here IP address is there, copy. IP address host, remote host, we need to pass here. Specify username. Verify what is the username. Here username. EC2-user. Enter here. EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Demo1.pem open. Okay. Accept. Here no supported authentication method. So take new section, some error is there coming. So remote host, specify the username. EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Click on this. Browse. Demo1.pem. Okay. Wait some time. It will connect. Yes, it will connected. So next, check who am I. So it is pointing to EC2-user. So then change to sudo user. Super user like sudo su-. Now change it to root user here. This is the EC2 user. Now it is changing to root user. So check is there any Java installed, Java version. No Javas are there, right? Sudo yam install. Sudo yam install. I'm installing Java 11 hyphen Java hyphen 11 hyphen Amazon hyphen here correcto hyphen devil hyphen y. By using this, we can install the Java 11. Enter. Here unable to find. Yes, C is not there by mistake, like enter C. Yes, now it is installing now. Verify the Java version. After that, I will install the 17 as well. Check here Java hyphen version. So it is pointing to 11. This is the command. I will mention this command in our document. Here, this is our document. Control V. Decreasing the size of this. Here, suppose 20. Yes, now I will install the 17 as well. Just I am changing 11 to 17. Enter. So it is installing. Yes, installation done. Just check Java hyphen version. So it is pointing to latest Java version, latestly installed Java version. So I want to appoint this is to Amazon Linux EC2Instance Java 11. Then I will show to change alternatives. You can type alternatives hyphen config config Java. Enter. Here these are the two Javas installed. It is pointing to 17. So we need to use, you can select enter the number. So I will mention one. I want to use 11, right? Enter here Java -hyphen version. So now it is pointing to 11. I will mention this command in our document as well. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Control V. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to